didn't know you had a camera thing. That's cool.
Thrifting ain't easy. I'm feeling creepy. Comping diapers on my eBay app.
Hello.
Good morning, how are you?
Okay. That does have the key in it. It's in there.
Oh, the little lockbox there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I moved them out there. It all goes together. Oh, look, there was a fragment. They put $1 on that big one.
I'm sorry, I didn't know they did that.
That does work too. It comes on.
Is it a little speaker, like a Bluetooth speaker or something? Okay.
I tried it last night and it came on. And
That might have just died or something.
yeah, it could be because I haven't charged any. The other one came on when I showed that lady. I think it has the same kind of charger. Yeah, it takes a phone charger.
Oh,
too,
yeah,
so-
just a little micro USB.
Yeah.
Okay.
But if you want it, you can have it for the phone.
Okay, cool.
If you want to buy it all, I'll help you load it for free. We got a box. Oh, really? Oh, that's cool.
No, just fine, thank you.
Let me plug it in for you, show you.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. That's the moment.
Yeah. No, I just watched the color, I didn't see that.
Every kid will be like me, a kid at heart at KiwiCo. And right now, go to KiwiCo.com, get 30% off your first month, plus free shipping on select crates at KiwiCo.com.
I found I got 2 of those life ones, so I just came
What time is it?
Yeah.
No, you can't. I've never seen anything like this.
We bought it from Pier 1.
Oh, wow.
How long ago? 7 years, 8 years. 9 years ago.
I know, and they're closing.
Yeah.
Good, it's right here in the studio with us. video. Or Jackie McMullen, the longtime NBA writer, had said on a podcast.
Alright, I think I'm good.
I didn't know you had a camera thing. That's cool.
Yeah, I got a little YouTube channel. Just, you know, go around to garage sales and stuff like that.
You want to put that on?
Sure.
That's awesome. Man.
Thanks. You guys have any video games or anything?
No.
No.
I got the same thing earlier.
Oh, really?
Do you want me to put these in another sack?
No, I'm parked right out there. I'll be fine.
I'm still on PlayStation.
I saw that backpack
Oh,
and
yeah.
I thought maybe you were traveling.
Nope. I just live right down the street, actually.
That's cool, man.
Where?
So, down the street.
Over there.
Yeah, just like by the movie theater.
I don't know. Where was it?
She don't know what she's at.
Well, I lived
She just
here.
moved here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
That was
right.
She's been here 32 years.
And I don't. The only people I know is moved away. You're getting all these things?
Yep. That's what we at. 13.
You want those other two things?
You tell me.
You want the handheld things other one to make it fit too easy?
Let's see. Yeah, sure. Why not? What, for both of those two right there?
Yeah, the Bluetooth thing, the white thing, and the handheld thing.
Which one's that?
Remember the black things you had?
Oh, this right here?
Yeah.
Sure. That'll work.
Little bag in it. Another bag in a bag.
So 15?
Yeah, 15 sounds good.
Six.
Bags here.
And he said he didn't need a bag.
Oh,
I think he
well,
needs a bag.
let's take another bag.
Yeah, might as well now. There's your 15.
Thank you.
Awesome, guys. Thanks so much.
Thank you very much.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
All right, guys, we are back in the garage. It's kind of funny. I didn't say anything, but I did recognize that fella. When I was growing up, he and his family owned the little neighborhood gas station that was right by us. And in my rebellious teenage years, that was the place to go to buy things that should not be bought by teenagers, because the 90s were a different time and you could get away with a lot more. So, Mom, leave your comments down below. I'm sure we're all much more mature now. But I did pick up some stuff, mostly low dollar stuff, but this was just a little bonus midweek garage sale just before the good sales this weekend. So let me show you real quick what we got. So I paid $15 for all this stuff here, and like I said, a lot of it's really low dollar. But we have this little WD My Passport hard drive. This is like a 320 gigabyte, so definitely not a lot of money. It should hopefully just pay for everything, like 15 or 20 bucks. That's what I'm hoping. It came bundled with this little Belkin HDMI switch. Again, super low dollar, not even sure if I'll sell it. A little TomTom. I usually don't pick these up, but it was marked at $1, and I think I have some chargers and even some mounts. So I went ahead and grabbed it for $1. Can't really go wrong, even if we make 10 or 15 bucks on it. These were kind of a throw-in deal at the end, these two things. It's a little Bluetooth speaker and a couple Uniden handheld walkie-talkie things. I think he had these priced at $5, and he had this priced at like $2 or $3, but he just sold them both to me for $2 basically. This Bluetooth speaker, super generic. I don't think I'll even bother selling it because it's probably won't be worth my time. These little radios, probably 10 or 15 bucks. So I got roughly $1 into them, so that's not bad. There was a couple grab bags that I got. They were marked at $5 a piece. A lot of junk in them. This, a junky calculator, some pretty crappy cameras, like a Vivitar and a Slick, and this is an old Pentax digital camera here. The case is pretty decent on it, but I don't really think this camera will be worth anything. Super old. But there were a bunch of old phones in here, and I'm not going to spend any time at all on these phones. I'm just thinking a parts lot for maybe 20 or 25 bucks. But there's an iPhone of some sort and a Samsung. There's another Samsung phone, an LG of some sort, another LG a little bit bigger, and then this weird thing here. I'm not sure what this is, but if you open it up. It says music on the back, so I don't really know what it is. But this will just be a little parts lot. I'm not even going to worry about testing these things at all because I doubt anything's going to be worth my time here. But basically $5. I'm just hoping to kind of get 20 or 25 out of it. Like I said, just a bonus garage sale, so can't be too picky. This bag has a lot of junk in it here, but the reason I grabbed it, here, let's see what's in there. There's some lotions. I'm sure those will be trash. There's a 9 Inch Nails CD right there, the Downward Spiral. This, I figured, if nothing else, this is a good CD for the car. So, not really out anything because I probably would have bought this CD anyway. There's a 50-cent CD, and then just a bunch of other junk. Like I said, the reason I bought it was because I saw this little iRiver MP3 player in there. And these actually do pretty well. This is a 1 gigabyte, I think it's a T30, I'm pretty sure. But anytime you see these little iRiver MP3 players and they're cheap, you might as well grab them because you'll do pretty well on them. This isn't one of the super valuable ones. I'm thinking I could still get well over enough to pay for everything, maybe even a couple times. So that's what I got. iRiver. All right, so now I'm ready for the weekend. Got this one out of the way, and I'm ready to actually find some great stuff. So that's all I got for you this time. As always, thank you so much for watching the video. But until next time, stay safe, stay healthy. Love ya. Bye. When they hear that cha-ching, and they all look at me, I guess they'll know I'm buying this crap.